Hey there, welcome back. In this video we are going to add some machine into the machine catalog to deliver the application. So let's get started. I already opened the Citrix Studio. I went to machine catalog tab and I need to right click, create machine catalog, or what we are going to do is we are going to just add more machine into the existing machine catalog. If you want to do it, you can do it, or you can add the just machines into the existing machine catalog. Okay, in last video we have created the machine catalog like this. So in this video earlier, few days ago I already created another machine catalog, so I'm just adding more machine into it. Okay, so just right click on the machine catalog, click on add machine, say next how many machine we needed. Okay, I already have two created already over there. Okay, 2 days ago, to make some practice. So in this video we are just going to add single machine, just to show you in case you forget. So just right click on the machine catalog and click on add machine. Let me close it out and we'll do it again. Just right click and add machine. That's it. Say next how many machine we needed. We already chosen, right? One single machine. How number of machine to add? Just one. Say next. What should be the name? I already given apps as VR and the hash. Those means numbers. If you want to select alphabetic, you can do so. I'll do it this one. Say next. Finish. We just open the browser. I need to log in into the vCenter to see what is happening. I just logged in. Click here, reconfiguring virtual machine. So new virtual machine has been created. The name is given apps as VR003. Okay, so go here, the task is completed. Just we need to click on power on. While it's getting power on, I'll go again into Citrix Studio. I'll go to delivery group. Okay, so in this video just we have adding single machine that is just added. Now it's getting power on. Let's wait for it. I just want to make sure the machine which we have just created, it's good. I just try to log in. Let's see if all good. Okay, I'm able to log in. Let me power this off. Power off. What additionally I want to do is over here is I need to increase a capacity of the CPU. I'll make it 4 cores, and memory I'll make it 8 GB, or I'll make it 12 GB. Okay, say okay. So we are done with a single machine creation, and I'll meet you in next video where we will install the application into this particular server, app server 003, and after that we will create delivery group and we will publish the application. Thank you very much for watching this.